The 5 Golden Rules of Social Media Marketing.
We are witnessing the most incredible paradigm shift ever in media and marketing, fueled by the biggest sociological transition in history. The power and ability to create and distribute content to large audiences is no longer the privilege of TV networks and publishing companies. Today, anybody with a computer and an internet connection can broadcast their ideas to the world. Companies such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn have changed the way a whole generation manages their relationships, communicates, shares content, and searches for information. This content and community era is changing the way we live, and it's going to change the way you market to and communicate with your customers, forever.
Rule 1. Create content of value to your audience.
Consumers are not interested in your company's products or services. They are interested in their own problems, goals, and lives. Tell the engaging stories that make your company unique in a way that adds value to your audience.
Rule 2. IT's about the content, not the platform.
Social media is about conversations. Those interactions can sometimes take place within a large group, other times, they are one-to-one discussions. Regardless of its size, the glue that binds a community together is content. Anytime somebody shares content with their network, they put their reputation on the line. Will your content enhance your reputation?
Rule 3. Contribute to the community.
Networks/communities are founded upon shared passions and goals, and they thrive on collaboration and selfless contribution. Authenticity and transparency are the rules of the game. To create genuine engagement with your audience, think of how you can contribute to the community and add value to the conversations taking place within your network.
Rule 4. Keep thinking creatively.
A key component of social media marketing involves leveraging your consumers' networks to distribute your message. But persuading people to cooperate requires strategic and creative thinking, a clear explanation of the value proposition, and strong reasons for them to pay attention.
Rule 5. Remember that the people have the power.
Today, consumers have the luxury of being able to interact with your company, brand, or service on their own terms. In this era of consumer empowerment, the traditional advertising tactic of interrupting or talking at a customer no longer works. Developing relationships with customers now requires a deeper connection. This means your message has to be highly targeted, resonate quickly, and add incredible value.
Parting thought: once you start, keep going.
As you embark on your journey into social media marketing, remember that once you take the first step, keep walking. Be sure to update regularly and stay in touch with your audience.